Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Funke Teachings. Yay! So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I transformed my background. I mean, not this is not my background, but I found a way to transform from looking like this to this, and it's very simple. But without much further ado, I just need you to do one thing for me. Just subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my subsequent videos. All right, so no long talk, let's get into it.
Go to your browser, whichever one you use. I use Chrome, so I'm gonna click on Chrome. So from Chrome, you wanna type in this prompt for Pinterest. So aesthetic living room decor. So I already have it because I did check before. So we're just gonna click on it. For you, tap in full and it's gonna pop up. Oh gosh, it's gonna pop up. So it's going to be in, make sure you put the aspect ratio, very important, 16:9. Sometimes it bring it, sometimes it doesn't, but it's good to be safe. So let's click on that. And all right, we've got them all here. So Pinterest aesthetic living room decor idea with plants. I can't see any plant here, but I don't know. Okay, so living room ideas. Let's have a look on this ones. These are pretty good, but I need the plants on there. I just feel like it's gonna make it more, uh beautiful, more aesthetic, so to speak. All right, so let's try this. Let's try this one here, right here. Okay. So what we're gonna do is to tap on these three dots here and click download image. So it's downloaded now, and then we go to our gallery just to confirm. So here is it. Let's have a look. Okay, it's in there now. Yeah, so we've got that. Now we'll go straight to our Capcut app and do the project. So you tap on create, and then you've got to bring in the background. So that's the background right here. Yeah, so it did come in this 9:16 rather than 16:9 that we wanted, so we can do something about that. So all these prompts here, just find aspect ratio. Yeah, there you go. So we want the 69, the YouTube video one. If you want to post it elsewhere, that's fine, just choose the aspect ratio. So 16:9 chosen, and what we have to do now is to adjust by ourselves. So with your two fingers, just spread out this way. I think that's fine now. And then this is all right. We just need to bring in, oh, let's extend it because it's gonna be maybe a pretty long video. Next, we want to bring in the video that we want to use in this. So click on overlay, add overlay and videos. I think I'm gonna use this one, and we press on okay, HD. Yeah, HD, add. There we go. So we have the video here, but if you can see, you still have the background that was there, so from the beginning. So what we have to do now is to take that background out. And how do we do that? Is to remove the background. So you see my dot here, that pen, that highlighting where. So just focus on that, and to tap on remove background and auto remover. There we go. So it's removed the background. All we have to do now is to adjust. Let's have a look. Yeah, just drag with your two fingers. I think the beginning, yeah, so I need to trim it because I don't want that beginning. So I split it, click on the video, split, and then delete that aspect and drag it to the back to start from the background. And what we have to do next is blur the background a little. So click on the photo background and let's go to the video effect. So click on effect, video effect, and let's click on this blur.
You know what I mean? Sometimes you
Okay,
need
so
to.
it's too much, so let's reduce it a bit. Yeah, I
You know
think.
what I mean? So, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
All right, so that's it. So what we gonna do now is to extend the blur to the whole video. I'm gonna come back to what I was saying. If you do not tell somebody like this isn't your home, they're not gonna know. How are they gonna know? They're not gonna know anyway. So just look at it, take a look. So what you want to do now is to export the video. So export, click on export, and we're gonna watch the final video. Okay, let's go to the gallery and we have the video here. Just take a look at that.
Sometimes you need to switch things up. Yeah, you need to not to do the basics. Yeah. And if it doesn't cost you anything, why not try it? Now that I have showed you, you see it's very easy. Don't forget to switch things up next time you are posting a video. All right. So I'm going to see you in my next one.
Bye.